Selenium automation testing. Real-time scenario-based Selenium automation testing interview questions and answers Part 3. Scenario 1. Handling capture. Question 1. How do you automate scenarios involving capture in Selenium? Answer. Generally, capture cannot be automated due to its security purpose. Best practice is to disable capture in test environments or mock its validation using backend API calls during automation. Scenario 2. Continuous integration. Question 2. How do you integrate Selenium tests into a CI/CD pipeline? Answer. Configure your build tool, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, etc. to execute Selenium tests on code check-in using Maven and Gradle commands and publish test reports automatically. Scenario 3. Retry failed tests. Question 3. How do you implement retry logic for failed Selenium tests? Answer. Use TestNG's iRetry analyzer to rerun failed tests automatically by specifying retry count. Scenario 4. API and UI test combination. Question 4. How do you combine API tests with UI Selenium tests? Answer. Call REST APIs using REST-assured HTTP clients within your Selenium tests to set up or verify data before or after UI actions. Scenario 5. Handling shadow DOM elements. Question 5. How do you interact with elements inside shadow DOM? Answer. Use JavaScript Executor to get shadow root and query elements within it, as Selenium doesn't support shadow DOM natively. Scenario 6. Data masking in tests. Question 6. How do you mask or anonymize sensitive data in Selenium test reports? Answer. Use test listeners or report configurations to replace or obfuscate sensitive values before logging or storing them. Scenario 7. Handling multi-select dropdowns. Question 7. How do you select multiple options in a multi-select dropdown? Answer. Use the select class methods select by visible text, select by index, or select by value multiple times on the same select object. Scenario 8. Simulating network throttling. Question 8. How can you simulate slow network conditions in Selenium? Answer. Use Chrome DevTools protocol integration in Selenium 4 to emulate network conditions by setting throttling profiles programmatically. Scenario 9. Testing across different locales. Question 9. How do you test your application in different languages or locales using Selenium? Answer. Use browser profile preferences or capabilities to set language or locale and validate UI elements accordingly. Scenario 10. Handling browser console logs. Question 10. How can you capture and assert on browser console logs in Selenium? Answer. Use the Logging Preferences API in Chrome Options to fetch logs of type browser and verify them as needed. Scenario 11. Handling unexpected pop-ups during tests. Question 11. How do you handle unexpected pop-ups or modal windows that appear during execution? Answer. Use try-catch blocks with short waits to detect and close pop-ups, or configure global hooks in test frameworks to handle such interruptions gracefully. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more hands-on QA and automation content. Keep learning, keep growing.